Hello friends, welcome to my channel Creative Kids Table. Today we are going to learn about Tangram. Do you know about Tangram? Tangram is a Chinese geometrical puzzle. It is made by cutting a square into 5 or 7 pieces. By using these pieces we can make different shapes. Today we are going to know about 5 pieces Tangram. Look here, this is 5 pieces Tangram. Now we learn how to cut 5 pieces tangram. At first we take square shape paper. Now fold the paper and get center of the paper. First we fold diagonally like this. Now fold like this. Now open it. Now we fold to make two halves. Now fold it to make 1/4. Like this. Now open it. Now mark like this. Now draw some lines to get its pieces. With the help of ruler we join these two dots and make a line. Here we get first piece, a small triangle. Now join these two dots to get second piece. This is a parallelogram. Now join these two dots. Here we get third piece, the large triangle. Now join these two dots. Here is fourth piece, a triangle, and here is fifth piece, a square. Look here, all 5 pieces are drawn in the paper. Now with the help of scissors we cut it. By cutting all the lines we get 5 different shaped pieces. Look here, two small triangles, one big triangle, one parallelogram and one square. By using these pieces we can make different shapes. Let's make some shapes. Now we are going to make a boat. This is a boat made by using all 5 pieces. Let's go to make some another shapes. This is my colorful 5 pieces tangram. Now I am going to make a cat shaped figure. This is a cat shaped figure. Now I am going to make a bird like picture. Now arrange these pieces like this. This is looking like a bird. Like this, we can make many different shapes with the help of this tangram puzzle. I hope all of you understand about 5 pieces tangram. In next video, we are going to learn about 7 pieces tangram. If you like my video, please like, subscribe and share. Okay, bye.